Hi guys, welcome back to the video. This is for the Acer ES1 523. Absolute nightmare trying to find the fault, which was a bit of an unusual one. So we actually ordered a brand new cable for the device, the LCD cable, and the same thing happened. The blue light would come on and go straight off. So I had my doubts. I mean, why would a brand new cable do the same thing? I disconnected the LCD, so there was no, the LCD was fine, tested that on other machines where the LCD was working great. And I thought, actually, what I'm going to do now is order a genuine second-hand cable. So I had to go on eBay and get one, and it seemed, like a genuine seller, good feedback. So I ordered a cable and tried it, but I also actually forgot that I had to finish off the video because I forgot I made the first one, and then I realized actually I need to go back. So I've installed the new cable and followed the guides on where to install it. I took a photograph of the LCD behind this bezel of where the cable goes, so I get an idea of how to put it back in. Sometimes if you take things apart, you think, oh, where did that go? So I've done that. That's all great, and I'm putting the charger in now, and you will see the result. There's no hard drive in the machine at the moment, but I'll just short the pins to start the machine, 28 and 20, I think it's 27, and you will see the blue light comes on, and now we have a display. So I just thought I'd give you a quick update on the machine. But yeah, I mean, it's a pretty quick video, but I thought I'd better make it and finish it off. So I hope if you get any issues like these machines, then I would recommend test the cable, take everything off first. Obviously I went the long way around, but it's only because I didn't have one in for quite a while. But yeah, good result, and have a great day, and thanks for watching. Thank you.